Baron, how is it taking your daughter finally to this like big fashion event?
I'm very proud and happy na kadate ko si Sofia. For me, this celebration of not only arts but also family. Kaya ako siya din and I'm excited and grateful na part kami ng preview box.
Ready ka na ba? Sunod-sunod na to.
Oh yeah, sure, why not?
Inside. How's your mom? Kamusta pala?
My mom's good. She's okay. This is actually hers. I just got it. Para bagay na.
Cute. What did she say nung magkasama kayong dalawa here?
Happy.
Oo.
Supportive. Okay yung co-parenting namin.
Oo. Kamusta? How's the co-parenting like? Can you take us through, like walk us through it when it comes to Sofia?
It's so easy lang naman. I'm glad that Nadia checks upon Sofia every day.
Oo.
Same din sa akin. And we celebrated Sofia's birthday together.
Kaya nga nakita ko nga. Nakita ko. How was it?
August 13.
Would you feel like it's surreal na finally it's, 'di ba? Parang you guys are more comfortable.
Yes, it's very fulfilling din to get to do that. And then parang they're trying to work out for me.
That's nice.